Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to get 100% free data science and Neo4j professional certification 2025. So this is a limited period offer. So Neo4j certification professional is there. So what is Neo4j? So a graph database. Neo4j is a graph database, a type of the database designed to store and manage the data as a node, that is the entities, and relationship connection between the entities, and rather than traditional row and columns. So think of it a network or map. So there is a node will define the things just like a people, place, products, etc. A relationship between the how they are connected with the friendship, with the purchase, with the location and extra etc. And property is the detail stored on the nodes or relationships, like a person is a person's name or what they become friends. Prove your Node4j credentials with a accredited certification from Neo4j. So this is the certification link, registration link. We'll go through that. So open this link. So Neo4j certified professional. So this is a 1 hour course and certification. Prove your Neo4j certification with an accelerated certification from for Neo4j, and then sign in or register for the tech certification. So this is a prerequisites are there. There is a fundamentals, graph data modeling, and complete these things. Then you go get your certification. Okay. So hands-on challenge. There is a challenge, and there is a explore the dataset demo, claim your rewards. So go through that, and frequently asked question, you can go through all the things. Okay. So here is the one question is that, can I retake the exam? Yes, if you fail the achieve to 80% or want to improve your score, you can retake your certification exam later after learning more about the Neo4j. So you can retake the exam after 24 hours, and retake the exam, click on the retake certification exam. There is option. So okay. Next, how will I receive my certification? So as soon as you complete the exam, you will be the part of the result page and break down the answer by category. Then you will receive the email link for the certification. Okay. Then other things are there. So this is completed. And one more thing is, once you have a certification, head to rewards and achievement to redeem your free T-shirt. Your T-shirt, okay. So you will get a free program from that, and you can claim my free T-shirt. So due to the high value of the suspicious behavior, we are temporarily suspended. They are suspended the free T-shirt for now. Okay. So we'll go through that. So sign in or register. So continue with Google. Just log in with your account. Continue. I'm changing the URL. Okay. So there is a text certification. Click here. Are you ready? So just read this thing. Start your exam. So this is the first question. So one by one we'll go through that. So when you complete all the things, then you will get a certification. Okay. So So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free data science on Neo4j Professional Certification 2025. So this is a limited period of offer, and Neo4j as a graph database. So this is, and for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.